Hello guys, how are you guys? I'm gonna tell you the HT poles for transmission line and distribution network. In a single day, when I enter this field and getting knowledge about installation of HT pole, I visited Google. I read books, but installation procedure was so much difficult for me to understand. So that day I thought I should tell my fellows about the installation and specification, criterion, description about HT installation poles. This is 7L crossarm assembly, which is used for transmission line and distribution network. Crossarm assemblies are that assemblies which are used for transmitting the voltages, the current on the conductor to another place. There are several type of insulators which are used in that assemblies, in that installation HT poles. Here this is 7L crossarm assembly, which has 3 disc type insulators. Disc type insulators are that insulators which are used for conductor layout insulating criteria up to 11 kV volts. So this is 7 crossarm assembly. It has 3 disc type insulators and 2 steel crossarms and 4 cross presses and eye nut also, which you can see whenever you install the HT pole. This HT pole must have height 36 feet and 6 feet excavation for the installation of this HT pole. The conductor is used here, dog conductor, but there are lots of categories which can be used for installation of conductors for transmission and distribution network. Another pole, this is single crossarm assembly because it has 3 pin type insulators. These pin type insulators specially for 11 kV used. The stay-by angle must be 45 degree to the pole. Single crossarm assembly has just 1 steel crossarm and 2 cross brasses, and after that 3L assembly, 40L crossarm assembly, 23 crossarm assembly. To whom the insulator quantities and steel crossarm, and that get the name of that assembly. So this knowledge which I thought I should share with you for installation of HT pole. Thank you so much. Next time we will appear another topic for you, because I'm overhauling this external electrification, so I thought I should share this knowledge for my fellows.